What's up, guys? What's up, nice peeps? These are today's results. As we all can see, people are milking. And to join our group is still free until the 11th of January 2020, and the joining link I'll put in the description below. Always remember to subscribe and turn on the notifications, because I release videos like this every Monday. If not Monday, then every week I release at least one educational forex content video. So with all being said, let us get started. So guys, back to the charts. Now, as you can see, I removed some of the indicators now because my chart was dirty. Yes, it's not because the indicators were not giving me what I want, but I removed them just for the sake of this video. There are people asking me, when do we enter and when do we exit the trade? Now that one depends on the type of analysis which I'm going to teach you right now, because we need to learn a certain type of analysis, that a uniform type that we are all going to follow along. So as we all know that we look at charts on a 15-minute perspective, and when we look at chart, we are looking for these type of movements. Pardon that. We are looking for these type of things. We are looking for this, meaning to say our buy is somewhere here, then we go up. Now looking at this move here, we see something like this, assuming that this is not yet there, this upper going is not yet there. We see something like this, and we're looking at our indicators, and we see that all of them are now at their oversold point, and we are looking up for a reversal. We should never forget the education that we had of candlestick patterns, all that, because all of that applies. So when do you enter? Because if you are waiting for these ones to join, I've noticed that they join when the candles are already somewhere here. That's when they join. So when do you enter? Meaning to say, today we are talking of what? Of sniper entries. Okay, now when do you enter? That's the people's question. You now see your W being formed, which is a double bottom. When we speak of price action, you go to the 1 minute chart. That entry in 1 minute chart is this one. Let me show you. Is this one. So you enter when the 1 minute chart joins. Look, when the 1 minute chart joins, as you can see here, it has joined here. Where were the candlestick at this time? The candlestick was somewhere already here. So we are saying when it goes up, it pulls back a little bit, then here is your entry point. If you enter here on a 1 minute chart, let me show you where it will be on the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, it will be somewhere here now. On a 15-minute chart, your entry would be here, where they join. Exactly. So that's when you enter. Now about the exit, it depends on the type of setup. For example, if we enter this buy here, we are not talking about holding this buy for a day or for hours. Why? Because on its own, this is a downtrend. As we can see, this is a downtrend. So we are not looking at holding this for too long. This is why I always say in the group, like, run away with profits, because this is a downtrend. So we are looking at the W here, and we are looking forward to buy the W. Now there are exceptional cases when you see a W and you don't enter. I've just seen a good example, which is here, this one. You are not going to enter this W here. You're not going to enter. Why? The first reason being that there is no any reversal sign here, unlike here. One. Number two, the other leg of the W did not give us rejection. Look at the difference between here and here. Look at the difference between there and here. See the rejection. So you enter when you see good rejection. Some people even wait for 3 rejections, which I always say in the group, which is very good confirmation. But sometimes when you wait for 3 rejections, then you may think you are waiting for rejection, then it gets up here and you lost this move. Okay, by the way guys, this is Louis from Nice Peak speaking. I hope we can all understand each other. I'm trying to explain the strategy. I'm trying to explain when to enter, because this is the question that I'm always having. When do we enter? For example, let's look at this here. Some people do this with their charts. Then they say, oh, because it is they see a long sell, then they think, oh, it's oversold, so now it's time to buy. But these indicators here, look, if you zoom out, this is not oversold. I said this yesterday, this is not oversold. And a good example of an oversold is this one here. This is oversold. This is oversold. You get it, guys? I hope we can all get it. Right. Then basically that's when we enter. And about the exit now, if we entered a trade that is in line with the trend, if we enter a trade that is in line with the trend, we can hold for long. We secure with stop loss and we can hold for long. But if it's a scalp whereby we are buying in a downtrend, we are trading a stop hand, we do not hold for long. We scalp, we run away with the profit. Okay, guys? I hope we're together. These things that I'm telling you, they work on V75, on step index, on V100 1S, and on V100. In the morning today, we had a good sell on step index. We had a good sell on step index. Look, guys, this was crystal clear. This was crystal clear. This was crystal clear, guys. Look, what do we call this? What do we call this? Now when I draw an arrow like this, it looks like I'm doing magic, but it's not magic here. This is not magic here. This is basic head and shoulder. We had our entry here. Unfortunately, I closed this entry on this account. I closed this entry on this account. Now we had our entry here. We hold, and I'm happy with these results. These are some of the results that we had. Not Nice Pips admin. These are some of the results that we had. Only with the step index. That sell. It was a great sell. It was a great sell. No analysis whatsoever. This is based on the very first video of this channel when I was talking about head and shoulders and W formation. Look, the first thing that you are gonna see here is this, the entry we made yesterday, the W with good rejections. You're going to enter a buy. When it got here, you are going to close your trade, or you are not gonna hold for long. Simple. If you go down with this trend line here, it passes through as some kind of resistance back there. Then here, because of the head and shoulder, we are going down, and this move is expected to have a take profit of somewhere here. Okay, guys, I'm sure we're together. I'm sure we're together. So guys, I hope we all understand the purpose of today's video, when to enter and when to exit. And when I say perfect entries, now you know that the perfect entry is on 1 minute chart. If you miss it, then you have to enter when the 15-minute chart joins. But if you are entering when the 15-minute chart joins, it means you are entering along with the trend. You don't enter against the trend in 15 minutes. If it's against the trend, you want to trade the stop band, you trade it on 1 minute chart, you hold it on 15 minutes, and you scalp, you run away with profit. How do you see the trend? The trend is on daily chart, is on 4-hour chart. That's what tells you what happened. If you look, this is something everyone can see. Everyone can see this. All traders can see this. Everyone can see this. You see? A channel. You see? I've not used any software here. It's a channel. Now we know that on 4-hour chart, oh, where are we going on 4-hour chart? We are going up. This is an expected move, ne? But before we go up, ne, maybe it may come back to retest or whatever, but we are expecting that it goes up. Why? Because it has reached the support area and it has given us some confirming candles. As we can see, here are some confirming candles here. So what are we looking at doing? We are looking at buying. Look, if I look at buying, if I take this to 15-minute chart, yeah, I see, yes, it was going down, right? See our channel. It was going down. It was going down. That part from this resistance to this support, it was going down. It was going down. Now it's on 15 minutes. Then, according to this trend line, it has broken this trend line. This one. It has broken this trend line. Meaning to say, we are now looking at going up. So it means if we are having a buy signal for this, we are holding a buy signal. And given that I had given this pullback here as a signal, just for this one is just a scalp, take profit, and we are out. You get the sense? Okay, guys, peace, guys. This is Luis from Nice Pips. Remember to subscribe to our work and joining our WhatsApp group. I'll put the link in the description below. And I've reached a number of followers in the group. I'm very grateful. And the premium group, the VIP group is open. Where is the VIP group? The VIP group is open. People are happy, and I'm happy with what in the morning. And thank you, guys. I'm out. Peace. Wish from Nice Pips speaking.